Alright, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers don't already know the thing set, we're blessed. But you also know the story incomplete if me not up on the beat. And as you can see on the screen, not gonna lie, my people, we're going to get a lot of outer order, so it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. So yesterday we're telling us a cartel bench Sidem because, you know, she did enough up herself on the live. You know what I mean? I said, you know, double it and all of these things and don't suffer and all of these things. So we notice them. They bring Shana Chin go Paris. They set them. You feel me? And we know that he's back in Jamaica. Well, a few days ago at him big ceremony, the crowning. So we expect him queen for that. But we never see her. We only see the work one. And we're talking about dancehall Queen Spice. You see what I say? So the people didn't say, we really are going with the one burner done and him woman. You see what I say? Because when them post up the picture with Shorty, you know, the fans them notice him index finger upon Shorty body. You know what I mean? Yeah, and you see where I'm on placed on them next woman, baby mom's waist, Sharika, you know, pretty penny. Mother, you see me, I say. And it look like Shorty they get her hell if I walk-ins cause her face and her ear, you know, look like she does get some walk-ins and she laugh. But the apps them, you know, Lisa Hyper and Sidem them, you know what I mean? Because she not start post up her man, but her IG and I say king and all of these things. And you know, she should have him crown, the one that placed upon him head. You see me, I say. And I know we not see them post up nothing with the ceremony, so we know a problem when the one done. One burner done gone back in yard, you know, because anything say them a ramp run with them, group with them, you see me? Ladies, and tell me if I lie, me I lie, because Shorty I show all of the, you know, the concubine them when the time is up. You know what I mean? Especially for say them, you know, for your contract up, because you know, say, it's almost going to be a 1 year since him release from prison. And you know, say, the people them say this relationship, they just fake for build him image and get green card and visa and all of them things you gone America. You know what I mean? And England. You see me, my people. Yeah, some of us are giving an update on what the people them must say. Them say Shorty but see them head and she's back. You see me, I say, cause she and him land in a lap and thing. You see me, I say. Anyway, let's proceed to the next. Trending story, Mr. out of Jamaica, America, I have to deal with Ivan. Because you know people only post up the bad things them, but when the good thing forward, you know, them not post it. And as you can see, the girl land a modeling job with Fashion Nova. Yes, she get a social media contract with Fashion Nova. So she's the latest Fashion Nova model. And that's definitely going to be a good look for her. And our OnlyFans. Because you know, a lot of OnlyFans people depend Fashion Nova. You know what I mean? So business I got turned up. She's going to get more clothes, no doubt. And it's definitely a good look. You know, a single mother seeing her way out in America. You know what I mean? Because the Pupa Dash way abandoned them, you see me? You know what I mean? But me just giving them good update about internet sensation Ivan his side. Yeah. Now people who look like Desha is officially out of the will out of her daddy will because she does disrespect him the most. Because you know the dearest thing to him heart is not him youth them. You know what I mean? But it had the king crown of dancehall. He said, man, say. So this is what she did. Because you know what they she styled him up wicked, you know. And I say my girl clone and all of this stuff. And you know, him always talk about cartel and king this and king that. So boy, oh boy, it's on and popping now, you know.
The legend, Desha. Well, nothing, nothing. Remember, send the king send for me now.
Yeah, don't do that.
And the king said, no man nothing put the crown.
Yeah, so as you can see, Beenie Man daughter was on stage and Vybz Kartel reposted it. He said, man, say, I really don't know what's the big deal with this crowning thing because a fans thing. You know what I mean? And Beenie Man has fans, but he don't have a fan base. And that's his problem now because we see he's struggling to sell tickets. You know what I mean? And, you know what I mean? It's not to take away from Beenie Man, but that's what Vybz Cartel and all of these other artists with fan bases have offered these, you know, artists that just have fans. You know what I mean? Your fans, them, base them fill out the arenas. And we say Beenie Man couldn't even sell out UBS arena because he not have a fan base. But him have fans scatter all over the place, you see me? So I'm just giving them update what going from that to go on. I know Desha out of the will. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Now sticking with the cartel topic, MC NUFFy is not done with the ras, you know, and him say the dread for go wash him stinking head and alluded to some law enforcement business. At the set time, him a give chassis them a whip him, you know. You know what I mean? As well as Beenie Man, him say Cartel don't have no issues with Beenie Man. But it's facts that Cartel locked Beenie Man 3 times and leave him in the dust and him can't even sell out UBS Arena. So let's hear what go on and proceed with the next.
I mean, no Cartel not a problem with Beenie Man. I know Beenie Man have a problem, and the rest of pussy old DJ boy and DJ girl them. Levels the man set. Move on a bad mind, blood clot. I look at dirty Rasta one named Chin come at all of a sudden him start tell people about OF, host and DJ and MC and this and that. Start to be a old now mash up the culture. Rasta boy, you keep clash all these blood clot and dirty dread. Go wash your locks, dread boy. Go wash your locks, you stink like. Chin, Irish potato looking locks, dread dirty. Go wash your dirty dread. Dirty dread, Irish and Chin, dirty dread. Go wash your locks, dirty dread. Blood clot every day you come chat. Boy, found alone dancehall. Remember me telling you that blood clot. Cartel laps him 3 blood clot time. I don't know no blood clot, respect. I don't go, I don't have to like me because I don't have to do nothing for me. A general. Looking at the arena them. The man has sell out every arena. Almost 16 show we do already, you know. Almost 16 show we do. One of them no work on a Trinidad. Who else have it? Oh, Costa Rica. No work on it at back over. Eh? History I make. Every arena the man sell out, brother. Every arena we go in, me have my own place. Then give me my own room. Mr. Cartel come out and give Josh a prayer love. You come on stage, you can follow back a blood clot full boy. You get your chance to bust with Silk Bass and you dash away. When me say go and go clash Silk Bass. And this you're not going to clash Silk Bass. If you follow back a man, if you come talk about crown and boot and this and that. Eh? And that you come and see if you come do. Eh? Fool no pussy clad. Get your own career and dash away. Eh? Go look for Silk Bass and that if you do. And rewrite the blood clot thing with your name. And make you can come have you as one of the little youth and me usually say, Bumbo clad. See the next youth that we can come mash up dancehall. Like Cartel, you make them trick your blood clot. Tell you say, oh, that no good. Because them no want nobody else in our space. You fool. Them trick you. Joshua, them trick you. Come do that. Me call you, me DM me and tell you, you know. Say, you and Silk Bass need to go at it. This is how dancehall work. Cartel do it. Any man else not do it, you know. All you see them a blood clot go on and I worry about the little money where them a make or whatever, what them a do. Them now go be no king. If we not do the right thing, if we not clash and have no beef in the right way, and our uncle to be a subliminal and not call nobody name, we not going to be no king round here. I tell you, I promise you that. We not going to be no king. One king. After Cartel, there will be no more king. After Vybz Cartel, there will be no more blood clot dancehall king. The man come out and save dancehall a drone. Dancehall a drone and the whole on outside. The whole on outside, I'm telling you, say dancehall lock up. I say dancehall lock up people who want to fucking idiot. When I make all queen of them and the whole of them, I'll meet a fear of join it. Because I can't do no better, but me have to just try to join the wagon with them. To make people see that's me can't get to talk and me couldn't know say dancehall lock up for sure. You know, say everybody lay to rest. And TikTok to them the one side. Roll Dog then career done and Swiftly then career done over that side there. You not see on the blind? And for Cartel forward, look at what man do. History create, look at what the man doing. Every arena. Which dancehall artist did that do that? Big up Shaggy and Sean Paul, but what Cartel I do, them not do. Them never did that do it. Them go up on tour and do what them do and get and you can name a number. Cause we see it. And most of the way them do a festival. Coming a blind. But Cartel one headline every arena. Vybz Kartel as a solo dancer artist headline. Which one I know? Tell me where I run on them out and not tell the man congratulations. I say yes, king. We'll find a king. But you know now no blood clots. You know why we don't do it? Because we don't have a lot of money now. We can't buy pussy here and there. We can't buy a house now. We can't buy a car now. We come and tell about you rich. Eh? A Cartel you know that blood clot will like and forget rich. Eh? We care about you rich. You say what's you know we Jamaican already not care about nobody want rich. Yes or no? Eh? A Cartel is a blood clot king. We not gone around Africa yet. Around England and wait for we. And every show where man go, Tartola, Barbados, Bahamas, St. Kitts, Guyana. You understand? Barclays, back to back. Zin? Where we go this around Atlanta. We go Jersey. We are go Baltimore this week. Look how much people come to Sunfest. A bumper to the bumper down at Sunfest. 25,000 Cartel pull out. And only did dip on the show last year and the year before and the other year we passed. Only couldn't pull out that crowd, so go suck on the mama. Show the man some blood clot love and respect. And a Beenie Man of the blood clot problem. It's not Beenie Man. We don't have a problem with Beenie Man. Because uno no pass Beenie yet, you know. And Cartel laps Beenie 3 times, you know. Uno no boy, uno chat him out DJ boy and DJ girl. Uno no pass Beenie yet. Because Beenie no easy for pass. Beenie no easy for pass. And Cartel laps him 3 times. 3 times. Me na dancehall, me know it. Uno can't tell me nothing, you know, come up on the biggest stage them, you know. And Vybz Kartel tap it off for them and make sure. Yo, I can sit down and talk. I don't want to get miserable. Wireless. Germany. There's no... Let me talk about Cartel. Cartel is great. Me and Cartel, we no rehearse, we no do nothing. We just go to dancehall. Me and him not call him the day before and nothing and say this we are going to do. We don't do that none at all. Cartel know me know him. From rah days, NUFFy host as the MC, the man will build the vibes. Him know that. Me and Cartel no rehearse. Cartel no question nothing about me. Me no question nothing about him. If one little glitch in where we talk, when we go after the show, I went in our room, I will talk about it, we drink and talk about it, and then we're done. Next show. We no rehearse, we no talk. Me no call Cartel and discuss nothing. And mainly me and Chrome or Ricky Platinum, me will just talk what we're showing and me will ask them, say, what you think about this? Me will plan this, or me will say this, and then we say, NUFFy, do this and do that. That's the only thing. And look how we are mash up the world everywhere and the man sell out every arena. Post the wall on a bad mind. Bad mind on a blood clot bad mind. Bad mind and you can't tell me nothing. I watch on the end come with around one there and a bad mind and a blood clot and want him crown. The after Cartel there will be no more king in dancehall. Me NUFFy say that blood clot without apology. Come and see someone eat the blood clot G. On and respect the G. On and tell the G, say, yo, congratulations. On and come out. No man, Cartel and NUFFy and Spice one day on the stage. Nobody no bombard the stage as artists. Nobody no left and wedding there. fi say, or put on them page or anything, none at all. I say, congratulations, Cartel. A true living king in dancehall. Brando. Me sit down and watch them. Who not talk about them rich and who not talk about them a bad DJ. A bad DJ, me blood clot. Who know them bad DJ, who never go to go clash. Who know Cartel walk up and down from PC. Who know when them blood clot, both mouth long. Who know when time in pants well tight. Eh? Who know when him mad there with Aller. Who know when him mad there with Shorty. Who know when him blood clot just start bleach. Eh? I don't know when them a walk in my yard, them and pepper them and cook them and the whole of them. And as my dance done, my mother pack round there so. Him eat out tight. I don't know nothing about Cartel. Eh? If Cartel work for this blood clot, him walk up on Axe Highway and Fiction and the whole of them. Cartel walk out the whole of blood clot Portmore. Him fight. Eh? You think it's easy to pass Beenie Man to get this crown? Eh? None of them reach Beenie Man levels neither. Cartel laps Beenie Man 3 times. Remember me know the history of dancehall and me I host everyone I show. From Champion in Action, Island Explosion, Spring Break, Spring Bling, Sunfest, Sting. And me I host, me and all I war them. Me and I war from Blood Clot, Merciless Kill Beenie Man and Bunty Kill and Blood Clot Ninja Man. And me I host. And me host the show. And me host the show. It's me host them show there. Me and I have a war. Me and I have a clash. Cartel work. Him go girl, him go social media, social commentary, him go bad man. Him clash. The most controversial artist. Cartel is our Michael Jackson today, is our Bob Marley today. This is an experience. This book have to write. This is a true experience. We all know we're going to have bad mind and critics, but bad mind and critics. When you're bad minded and critiquing, please say, okay, I don't like Vybz Kartel, but he's one of the greatest. And he's the greatest in dancehall now, in his time. Him only did want a collaboration with Bumblewall. A Vybz Kartel. So I go and go tell a friend, come in now watch me about 400 hard. Go tell a friend and a friend, blood clot them. Me not sit down and watch you now try this the general. I mean not say nothing after me not blood clot pussy. Eh? I not try this the G. Eh? I not try, yo. I not go show some blood clot respect. Have some manners. You know, guess what?
Yeah, anyway, let's proceed to the next people. You know, it's not a good look for Sean Kingston moms. Yeah, she's begging the judge not to deport her back to Jamaica. Me say, I think I go around saying after, her prison sentence, Turner is set to be deported to Jamaica, losing her U.S. residency and creating, her defense team describes as permanent separation from family. Wagwan, scamming ass bumper club go home. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. As you know, they stole over $1 million, which is a lot, but it doesn't seem a lot, because we see some people that steal billions and them I get like 5 years. But nevertheless, she is black, so, them have to set an example out of these people. Not saying what they did was right, but man, she really messed up her son life, my people, because Sean should have been caking rich right now. But most likely, say them using royalties and, these people take loan and all of this stuff, So Sean end up have to scam himself, But it look like, say, she had to take the major rap. She's facing like 30 years in prison, 20 years in prison, and asked for 30 months, So, hopefully she can stay in America, because, them have nothing back home. That White House wasn't for them most, and did rent and they get evicted. And remember, said they hold up a car. Them did at least on a yard and the man them come tow it, Similar things you see going on in America. So a lot of money management. A lot of Sean's money was used to take care of the family. And you know, girls are expensive, and he has a lot of sisters. You feel what I mean? But yeah, that's what it is, people. That's giving them quick update while go on. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do so. And turn on the notification bell. Therefore, you will be notified whenever we drop the latest in a dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.